Welcome back. Today we're going to practice the sh and zh sounds. There are no minimal pairs with these sounds, so we're just going to focus on them individually. First, we'll go over some common words with these sounds, and then we'll practice using them in sentences. Sound good? Okay, let's get started. We'll start off with words that have sh and zh at the beginning. However, there aren't any English words that start with zh, so we're just going to practice sh here. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Sure. You say it now. Share. Show. Short. Now we'll practice with words that have the sounds in the middle. Remember to repeat after me. Here we go. Social, vacation, direction, delicious, treasure, usually, explosion, luxurious. Finally, let's try saying some words with the sounds at the end. Okay, let's go. Dish, trash, finish, stylish, beige. Amazing job, you did it. Now, to take things to a higher level, let's put our words into sentences. Remember, I'll say each sentence twice. Make sure to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. It was a luxurious party full of stylish people. How about trying it now? It was a luxurious party full of stylish people. Your turn, please. Let's try another sentence, shall we? We empty our dishes into the trash after dinner. We empty our dishes into the trash after dinner. Give it a try, please. You're really getting the hang of this. What about another one? We usually eat delicious foods on vacation. We usually eat delicious foods on vacation. Now you please say it. Let's keep it up. We have only 2 sentences to go. Which direction was the explosion? Show me. Which direction was the explosion? Show me. Please give this one a try. Almost done. Here's our last sentence of the day. It's quite tough, so listen carefully. Are you sure you don't want to share your shiny treasure with me? Are you sure you don't want to share your shiny treasure with me? Your turn, please. Brilliant! You finished day 24. I hope you feel a little more confident about the sounds sh and zh now. But if you're not there yet, please feel free to replay this video as many times as you need. If not, I'll see you again in day 25. See you next time. Bye-bye.